Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve trading strategies with Interactive Brokers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve your trading strategies with Interactive Brokers, start by familiarizing yourself with their trading platform. Log into your Interactive Brokers account and navigate to the Trader Workstation, often referred to as TWS. Explore the layout of TWS to understand the various features and tools available for traders. Take time to customize your trading interface according to your preferences. Use the layout feature to arrange charts, watch lists, and order entry tools in a way that suits your trading style. Next, dive into the research tools provided by Interactive Brokers. Access the Market Data section to view real-time data feeds relevant to your trading interests. Utilize the News tool to stay updated on market events that may impact your trading decisions. Develop a watch list of stocks, ETFs, or options you are interested in trading. Use the Scanner tool to filter assets based on specific criteria, such as price movements, volume, and volatility. Identify potential trading opportunities through technical analysis. Apply various technical indicators using the charting tools provided. Experiment with different time frames to see how they affect your trading decisions. Consider setting up custom alerts for your chosen assets to receive notifications on price movements. Next, focus on backtesting your trading strategies. Use the paper trading feature to test your strategies without risking real money. Set specific metrics to evaluate the success of your strategies during this test phase. Analyze your performance by reviewing past trades and identifying patterns. Once you have a solid strategy in place, consider using algorithmic trading. Implement automated strategies using Interactive Brokers' IBKR API or built-in tools. Monitor the performance of your algorithms and make adjustments as necessary. If you are interested in options trading, familiarize yourself with the Options Strategy Lab. Explore different strategies, such as spreads or straddles, to diversify your approach. Regularly review your trading plan and performance metrics to adapt to changing market conditions. Join Interactive Brokers' educational resources to enhance your trading knowledge. Participate in webinars, read articles, and utilize their extensive library of trading guides. Finally, connect with other traders in the Interactive Brokers community. Engage in forums or user groups to share insights and learn from others' experiences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.